Hey guys, how are you? My name is Jonzo. Welcome to this video. So today I'm going to talk about how to create a viral video that you will post on your YouTube channel that will let you promote affiliate offers or e-commerce products or print-on-demand products. Okay, so I have this channel named Pet Fan TV. It's an old channel, so my first video here was posted on June of 2015, so almost 5 years ago. Okay, and I just forgot about it, and it's very interesting because I have here some videos that I've made that already have like more than 100,000 views, and I didn't optimize the videos, so I just created the videos, uploaded them, and that's it. Okay, and that gave me an idea to try to replicate the process. So for instance, in this case, you have noticed already that I'm in the dog niche, and I've created this video here named Top 10 Dachshund Puppies Videos. Okay, and these type of videos, they are very popular and they go viral very quickly. Okay, because people of course love to see videos of puppies. Okay, so how did I do it? It's quite simple, so let me just show you the video. Okay, real quick. So this is the video, and I'm going to mute this. So what I did is I just search YouTube for videos with cute dachshund puppies. Okay, and I just made a list of all the URLs, and then I downloaded each video, and then I edit each video, and I cut the video to have only a small portion of it. Okay, so you noticed here that I have probably, I don't know, maybe 10 seconds of each video. Okay, and then I use the video editor to add all the videos together. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so you see here that this first one is from one video, then I have here a second one, then the third, the fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on. Okay, to do this, I just search YouTube for something like, let me show you, cute dachshund puppies. Okay, and then you just do your search, choose the ones that you like the most, and you just copy and paste the URL to a text file or something like that. Okay, and then the next step is to download the videos. Okay, I use this tool. It's vDownloader, so I think they have a free version, and you can also search Google for something like free download YouTube videos downloads online. Okay, and you will have here a bunch of options that you can use to download a YouTube video. Okay, and then you have to edit the video. If you have a Mac, you can use iMovie. Okay, it's free. If you have a Windows PC laptop, you can go here to the Windows, to the Microsoft Store, sorry, and search for video editor. Okay, and you have here a bunch of softwares, free softwares that you can try out. Okay, I use this one. I use Screencast-O-Matic. So this is a screen recording software. So I'm shooting this video with Screencast-O-Matic, but Screencast-O-Matic has also a video editor, and I edit all videos with this software. It's very simple because you can just upload a video and then you just cut the video, cut a portion of the video, so you get rid of the parts that you don't want. Then you save that video, then you move to the next one, you do the same, and then you just add videos to the main one. Okay, so you start adding videos. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and next what you do is you of course need to think very carefully about the title. So make sure to include specific words. Okay, in this case, in this niche, it's easy. Okay, so I probably should have made a different title, something like top 10 cutest Dachshund puppies videos or something like that. So you can try to use several different keywords that people use to search on YouTube. Okay, and then make sure to, on your description, the first thing you do is you make a call to action, and you include here the link to your affiliate offer, your e-commerce product or print-on-demand product. But this will only work if the product that you are promoting is closely related with the video. So in this case, you would need to be promoting products for dog owners, and more specifically for Dachshund owners. Okay. One thing that I also do is I make sure to put here a list of all the original videos links. Okay. I do this. I see a lot of people that don't do this, but I give credit to the original owner of the video. Okay, so this is an idea. It's easy to do and it's free. So look, in this particular case, I got more than 100,000 views in 5 years. It's not that much, but it's only one video. So I have others here. Okay, so imagine that you do one video per week. Okay, and I'm pretty sure that most likely you can do this within, I don't know, maybe 2 hours or something like that. So it's just investing 2 hours per week doing a video like this, and so in 1 year you have 52 videos, right? And if each video gets 50,000 views or something like that, it's a lot. Okay, because note that, and I mentioned that before, I didn't optimize this video when I uploaded on my channel. So you need to be sure to optimize the video. So I mean the title, the description, the text. So the video had no tags. Okay, so I only add tags to the video like a few days ago. And you need to be you need to be very careful with all these aspects if you want your video to rank higher. Okay, so guys, I think that's it. I will create some videos. I will model this video here, and most likely I will shoot another video showing the results. Okay, so that's it. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so that you are notified each time I upload a new video. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I make sure to answer all questions. And that's it, guys. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.